Are you ready to expand your SAP functional knowledge? Do you enjoy bringing a broad awareness of emerging SAP capabilities to your users? Hi, this is Shannon with R2 Tech. Our client is hiring a Senior SAP Manufacturing Analyst. This is a full-time direct hire position, and our client will do visa transfer. You will impact the company by working with cross-functional teams to understand, elicit, gather the business requirements, gather data definitions, define data elements, and gain consensus. Formulate and define system scope and objectives based on user needs and with a thorough understanding of application systems and industry requirements. Provide functional perspective and expertise in design discussion for SAP SR, PP, and PM modules. Interact with key executives, directors, managers, and analysts to create data governance policies, guidelines, and key performance indicators. So if you have over 8 years of information technology experience in SAP modules, PP, MM, SR, QM, PM, MES, and MII, and have participated in all phases of at least one full cycle of SAP implementations, please contact me. Feel free to forward this link to anybody who is interested, and to find out more about this position and our other jobs, send me your resume to shelms@r2now.com. I'll talk to you soon.